Welcome back everyone to Cooking with Lucia. On today's menu, I will be cooking up some chicken feet. Hope you can see. Yes, there are about 2 pounds of chicken feet and some broad bean, curried chicken feet and some broad bean. I soaked the broad bean overnight because I like to use this broad bean when I'm cooking on my pot. Also, I have here with me, I went ahead and I prepared the seasoning. I went ahead also and prepared my chicken feet, cut off the nails and all of that. While I was doing it, while I was preparing it, I noticed about 2 of them. You'd add on the skin part of it. If you know the trick how to get rid of that, you'd have to warm some water, not too hot, and dip it in there. Let it stay for a little bit, like 1 or 2 minutes, so, and then you strip it off. Come off easy. So that's the process I went through a while ago with about 2 or 3 of them. Curry. Here's the curry that I'll be using. I love to use better pop curry. Some persons say Indian curry, but if you have Indian curry again, I can mix them up. But I love to use my better pop curry to give it a nice flavor. You understand? And I use a little chicken seasoning, and I'm using a little ginger in there and some salt. I also will be cooking my chicken feet with some yam, dumpling, you understand, and some sweet potato. See them over there? So I am gonna get cracking. I'm gonna let it sit there for a few minutes, a couple minutes. Remember now, the chicken feet are of different texture, so you don't have to make it stay in a long 1 hour or so. Just a couple minutes. I'm gonna let it stay and I start get cracking. Alright? So I'm just adding a little oil in the pot. Alright. Test the pot to see if it is hot. The oil is hot. Now I'm going in with my chicken feet. You have to be very careful though. Yeah. Some people go ahead and burn the curry. Sometimes I burn the curry too before I add in I throw a little curry in the oil and burn it before I add in my meat. I give it a stir and I'm going to close the pot. I'm going to give it about 5 minutes or so before I add in my broad bean, because I did not burn the curry before. Alright, I'm going to give it a little time. I'm going to add in my broad bean, the chicken feet. Alright. As you can see that I will require some more water, so I'm going to add a little more water to cover whatever is in the pot. Alright. Alright, so this is my pressure pot cover with the rubber and everything. So I'm going to cover it up nicely and the weight on. And I'm going to give it about 25 minutes. In the beginning I told you that I was going to cook dumpling and yam and sweet potato. Add in some salt, just about a teaspoon of salt in the pot. So we're just gonna give it a few more minutes, put it back on the stove without the cover of the pressure pot, just for it to thicken up a little bit. There I have it on the stove again. After cooling down, I'm going to add a piece of butter in it, allow it to cook down. You can also taste your pot, taste your pot as it go along to see what you can pep it up with. You know, that curry, so you can't put no oil for nothing nice to change the taste, because a curry we are cooked, right? So the broad bean we're in it and it vegetable and thing nice up already. So you might want to pepper up with a little tip of salt or a little black pepper, a little butter. That's the most you can put in. And nobody can put no oil for no seeds, no other seasoning nice to take with the taste. A curry we are cooked, alright? Curry with the curry chicken food.
Be walking away, yeah.
I'm about to turn off the fire, but before I turn off the fire, I am going to add my sweet pepper in it, and I'm also going to add a piece of Scotch bonnet pepper in it too. There you have it, and finish. Food over there, curry chicken feet over here. So there you have the finished product, alright? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.